So Henry and I have been scooping up mulch and putting it around the trees that are in the front of our market garden, in front of one of our market garden beds. What we're going to plant here is a Jerusalem artichoke. Now, I had never heard of these, but I actually watched a video on Jerusalem artichokes, and I thought it would be something beneficial to put in our garden. You do not harvest the artichoke tubers until after a hard frost in the fall. They say that's where they get sweet and they're good to eat and everything like that. One other thing that's beneficial is the flower. The flower not only draws in beneficial insects, it also brings a new flavor to the market garden. The flowers are edible. So we thought it would be something to bring in some beneficial bugs. The Jerusalem artichokes are really disease resistant and pretty much bug resistant. So we just thought we would try them. So what we're going to do this year is we're going to plant them about 2 feet out from our trees, and I'm going to plant them in a circle, and this way I know where to dig this fall and I can keep up with them. So here we go. Okay, so we've run into a bit of a problem here. As you can see, the dirt is frozen. So these big blots of dirt here are frozen. We're gonna have to just let them thaw. And also our compost is frozen. So we're just opening everything up. We're gonna let it sit here this afternoon and we'll be back later. I don't know what you told me to say. That's what I'm doing. All right, guys, we're out here today and we're getting the garden beds prepared. So we're putting mulch in them, and then we're putting our soil mix and our compost.